Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, this generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the AC compressor, guys, fuse is located, which fuses you need to check, you have multiple fuses that you need to check, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, free on to recharge your system, AC compressors at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. We'll share with you that in this video today. Also, we will explain why it's super important to test your fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the AC compressor, guys, fuse, where you can expect to find it. You will, by the way, guys, have 3 different fuses that we'll need to check in 2 different fuse boxes. That's a pre-facelifted version of that generation Ford Escape, that's a facelifted version. But both will work, guys, okay? Now there might be minor differences, might be different fuse amperage, but practically the same. First we need to, guys, open the passenger door. Once you do that, you will see that under the glove box, if you look upside down towards the dash, look underneath the glove box, you'll see one black carpet with 2 turning knobs. Remove them and you will get to the interior fuse box. This is it right there. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, you need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. The first one that you need to check is fuse number 71. We're talking about this 10 fuse right here. Check that one for the AC compressor. You will, guys, have another one that you need to check, and that's fuse number 88 right here. That's that 25 fuse in our case. Your fuse may be at different amps depending on the year, okay, and configuration. Next, you need to open the hood on your Ford Escape. Go ahead, open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side right here, you have a fuse box under this cover. Go ahead and open it and you will find the engine fuse box that will look like this one. Here, we're going to zoom in a little bit. This is the front of the Ford Escape, that's the rear, passenger side, driver side. Here we'll need to check one more fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 27. That 15 fuse that you will need to check, guys. Okay, right there. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.